in her face.
The mirror of your dreams. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sasha Morales, and how you doing? How you doing? Good? I'm glad. Well, if you're here for this video, today I will be giving 10 tips on how I clean my room when I'm feeling lazy, you know, when I'm just not feeling my best. Honestly, I am a sucker for cleaning. When I get frustrated, I clean. When I'm sad, I clean. When I'm happy, I clean. So I hope these tips work for you. So tip number 1 is when you wake up, make your bed right away. Honestly, making your bed helps you start the day because you kind of, well, for me, it kind of lets me know that I'm done with the bed for today until later tonight or later when I want to go to sleep. And also, having a clean bed just makes the room already look much cleaner than it is if it's kind of messy. So then my tip number 2 is to keep all your dresser spaces, and if you have a desk in your room, clear. You do not need nothing on it unless you are using it. Obviously, if you have like cute little decoration items, great. But if it's not decoration and it's just junk, get it decluttered and I promise your life will feel much better. Tip number 3, make a cleaning routine. And when I mean make a cleaning routine, I mean pick a day out of the week, once, twice, whenever your room gets messy, and keep that day for your cleaning. And when I say clean, I don't just mean picking things up. I mean disinfecting your room, making sure it's sanitized, making sure you got clean bedding, making sure everything is just tip-top shape. Number 4, this is kind of not necessarily for the outer part of your room, but go through your makeup and your skincare stuff. Honestly, if your room starts to get cluttered, you kind of forget the things that you do have. So going through it, you can see what's expired, what you don't like anymore, what you don't use, and it creates more space for you to put things in. Tip number 5, make sure you keep your floor clean. Now, what I mean by this is your shoes, put them away. Your laundry, put them away. You can do it. Just making your space on the floor clean makes the room look cleaner and it makes the room look bigger as well. So clean up that floor. Vacuum. Number 6 is to have a miscellaneous drawer. So miscellaneous drawer is all the kind of nonsense or things that you use but don't really have a place to go. But your miscellaneous box or drawer should still be organized. It still shouldn't look like what's going on. Get yourself a diffuser. A diffuser honestly keeps the air nice. Seeing the vaporize makes me happy. Like, it just makes my room feel so clean, just seeing all that airflow. I don't know why, but to me it just makes me feel clean. And you can put scents in there so it helps your room smell better. And diffusers also are supposed to help with your breathing and keeping the air nice, I think. Number 8 is don't burn your candle until your room is clean. If you're burning a candle on a dirty or messy room, there's no point because it's whatever smells are already in there plus that candle. And it does not smell good. And I know people have this idea that lighting the candle will automatically just make the room smell better, but it doesn't, because you could still smell those underlying smells that were there before you lit that candle. This is no shade, this is just serious advice that I think people should know. Number 9 is get a basket if you have extra pillows or extra blankets in your room, so you can have that designated spot for them to go in. Having a basket also creates less stuff on your bed, so it's a win-win scenario. Then my last tip, honestly this is kind of, you already know, but put your stuff away when you take it out, okay? So if you are getting some lip gloss, you take that lip gloss out of your drawer, put it on, put it back where you got it from. Now I know you're probably like, duh, I do that anyways. But it starts to add up if you start forgetting just little things. You forget your lip gloss out here. See, look at that AirPod, I could have lost it. I know right now it's a very hard time in the world. It's very crazy, a lot of stuff is going on. So cleaning your space will make you feel better. Not fixing all your problems, but having a clean space. Honestly, I feel like your room is like your mind. If your room is messy, your mind could be cluttery. If your room is more organized and has less things to distract you, I feel like you have time to get what you need, use what you need. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you are staying safe, And I'll see you next time, y'all. Bye. Oh man.
What a drag. No sleeper seats, that's a mattress. No sleeper seats, that's a mattress.